Bullish Dogelon Mars cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market investigators accept ELON could reach $0 2025. Bearish Dogelon Mars market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Dogelon Mars presentation. Dogelon Mars is one of a few Doge-themed crypto tokens accessible last year in 2021. The crypto's makers depict it as a fair all-inclusive cash for individuals and an interplanetary money utilized by space colonizers. Dogelon Mars isn't just a cryptographic money, yet in addition a person in a comic series that is accessible for buy as non-fungible tokens. Incidentally, you can get them with Ethereum. Despite the fact that this digital currency has a huge and energetic local area, there are various motivations to be careful about it. This digital money guide will uncover all that you want to be aware of Dogelon Mars and its elements. By and by, our essential spotlight will stay on the Dogelon Mars cost forecast from 2022 to 2030. What is Dogelon Mars? Dogelon is a blockchain-based biological system used to create and uphold space projects. It is utilized for trading merchandise, making installments, and remunerating supporters. Dogelon Mars was sent off on April 23, 2021. Be that as it may, there's no data accessible about the symbolics maker. It likewise comes up short on white paper illustrating its main goal and targets. Nothing recognizes Dogelon Mars from other crypto tokens with regards to utility. You can purchase, sell, and send it to crypto wallets. However, that is valid for pretty much every computerized cash. In any case, the Dogelon Mars designers have done a couple of extraordinary things. 1. ELON Group didn't do a presale or keep tokens themselves since they needed to make a fair cash. 2. The venture's underlying stock was 1 quadrillion ELON tokens. 3. The engineers duplicated Shiba Inu's exposure stunt by sending half of those crypto tokens to Ethereum fellow benefactor Vitalik Buterin. Buterin gave roughly 43% of the ELON tokens to the Methuselah establishment, a foundation devoted to expanding human lifespan. In May 2021, the establishment swore not to offer any of those tokens to propel ELON's drawn-out incentive for essentially a year. ELON has been available for a long time, making the possibilities of the coin being a trick generally low. In the event that you're pondering where to purchase Dogelon Mars, the top cryptographic money trades for exchanging Dogelon Mars stock right presently are OKX, MEXC, CoinTiger, KuCoin, and DigiFinex. Dogelon Mars is right now worth $0. ELON has moved 2.70% as of now with an exchanging volume of $2,684,985. Dogelon Mars is right now positioned 664 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $181,155,457 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Dogelon Mars to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Dogelon Mars market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2023. Dogelon Mars, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The ELON cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ELON is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Dogelon Mars ELON cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ELON will before long outperform $0. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the ELON's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ELON will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. ELON might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ELON is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Dogelon Mars effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the ELON coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ELON will be green in 2026. The ELON is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ELON cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2027, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Besides, ELON has a greatest value worth of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. In the event that ELON figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0. Neglecting to assemble the help ELON needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2029. While ELON is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2029. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Dogelon Mars will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme ELON cost in 2031 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. As indicated by Dogelon Mars Cost Forecast, future costs will be bullish, and Dogelon Mars will be a wise venture. In any case, ELON's development still up in the air by the condition of the market at that point, as there is no connection between the Dogelon Mars ongoing worth and its future cost. It is, notwithstanding, subject to the variables that arise during the market's development and improvement stage. These are the elements that will shape an ELON's future. On the other hand, you could explore the subject. Token holders can assist you with settling on a first-time purchaser in this market. Nonetheless, due to the unpredictable idea of the crypto market, anticipating the specific worth of any single money in advance is troublesome. Take a gander at the Dogelon Mars diagram, look at the pattern, and do your own exploration on passage focuses and cost figure. On the off chance that you can't track down a section, look for legitimate monetary guidance. Save an eye for more digital money value expectations of the most recent and most famous altcoin. What is the Dogelon Mars cost today? Today, Dogelon Mars is exchanging at $0, an all-out market capitalization of $181,155,457. Is Dogelon Mars a wise speculation? Dogelon Mars ended up being one of the most discussed